Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a drone that's fun to fly, captures breathtaking 4K video, and packs smart features for beginners and pros alike, then buckle up because today we're reviewing the DJI Flip drone with 4K UHD camera. This compact drone features a flip-out design for easy portability, a 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal for stable footage, intelligent modes like Quick Shot and Active Track for cinematic shots, up to 30 minutes flight time per battery, 10-kilometer transmission range, automatic return to home, and no FAA registration needed under 250 grams. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a drone that's versatile for aerial photography, vlogging, or just exploring with smooth controls and high-quality video, this is the one that'll flip your perspective. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the DJI Flip drone. This drone has a unique flip-out propeller design that folds compactly for pocket-sized portability, weighing just 249 grams, so it's travel-friendly and registration-free for recreational use. The camera is a 1/2-inch sensor shooting 4K UHD video at 60 frames per second and 20 megapixel photos, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal for pro-level smooth footage even during fast maneuvers or wind. Flight modes include quick shots like Drone, Helix, and Rocket that automatically capture dynamic clips, plus Active Track to follow subjects intelligently while avoiding obstacles. Battery life is up to 30 minutes per intelligent flight battery, with the kit including 3 for extended sessions and fast USB-C charging. Transmission uses OcuSync 3.0 for a 10-kilometer range with 1080p live feed to your phone or the included controller, which has a built-in screen for easy piloting. Safety features are robust with forward, backward, and downward obstacle sensing, GPS for precise hovering, automatic return to home on low battery or lost signal, and geofencing to stay out of restricted areas. The DJI Fly app offers real-time editing with templates, music, and effects for quick social shares, plus firmware updates. It's wind-resistant up to level 5, and setup is simple. Unfold, pair with app or controller, calibrate, and fly. Priced around $400 for the combo kit, it's durable with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are flipping fantastic. Crystal clear 4K video with gimbal stability that looks professional. Smart modes that make flying and shooting effortless. Solid 30-minute battery with multiples included. Reliable 10-kilometer range and advanced safety sensors. Super portable flip design. And the app's editing tools for instant content. Users rave about how it's great for beginners, yet capable for advanced users, the video quality, and the value. On the con side, the flip mechanism can feel a bit delicate if not handled carefully. No side obstacle sensing, so watch for lateral obstacles. App requires a compatible phone for best performance, and wind resistance could be better in strong gusts. A few mention the controller adds bulk if you prefer phone-only flying, but overall, the pros dominate for versatile users. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the DJI Flip drone if you need a compact 4K drone for fun or content, and the pros like smart modes, stability, and portability make sense for you. It's perfect for travelers, vloggers, or hobbyists. Before we wrap, if these reviews get you buzzing, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who loves drones, or subscribe for more. See you next time.